In the same boat, understanding unity and diversity. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom that beautifully captures the essence of shared experiences and solidarity. In the same boat. This phrase holds a special place in conversations about teamwork, empathy, and mutual challenges. Stick around as we unpack its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Let's sail together into the world of English idioms. The phrase, "in the same boat," is used to indicate that two or more people are in the same situation, usually facing the same challenges or difficulties. It implies a sense of solidarity, suggesting that since they share the same predicament, they should support each other or work together towards a common goal. The beauty of this idiom lies in its ability to succinctly express shared experiences and the need for collective effort. Tracing back to its nautical roots, "in the same boat" likely originated from the literal scenario of people being in the same boat at sea, facing the same risks and depending on each other for survival. Over time, it evolved into a metaphorical expression used beyond maritime contexts to describe shared circumstances in various aspects of life, emphasizing unity and collective endurance. To help you incorporate this idiom into your vocabulary, let's go through some examples. When facing budget cuts, our department and marketing are in the same boat. We need to find a solution together. During difficult times, remember, we're all in the same boat here, trying to make the best of the situation. In teamwork, if this project fails, we're all in the same boat. Let's work hard to ensure its success. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, highlighting shared challenges and the importance of unity. Understanding and using idioms like "in the same boat" enriches your English communication, allowing you to express complex ideas and emotions succinctly and powerfully. Remember, idioms are a window into the cultural nuances of a language, and mastering them can significantly enhance your fluency and expressiveness. We hope this exploration helps you feel more confident in your English language journey. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, we're all in the same boat in learning and growing together.